Hey, my first time on YouTube, so I'm gonna record my retarded dog. He thinks he's a wonder dog. Hey, Peanut! So today, tries to find a grasshopper. He goes insane. You're wondering what kind of dog he is? He is a wiener dog mixed with a pointer. Kind of weird, I know. Oh, putting the spikes on the ground. Look at him. Where'd he go? Look at him using his taekwondo stance. This dog is so fast, it's hard to keep up with him. Bean boy! Come here, Peppa! Is there a grasshopper somewhere here? I thought I saw something.